Did you know? Foxes use Earth's magnetic field to hunt. Research shows that when a fox jumps to catch prey hidden under snow or grass, it aligns its body along a northeast axis. This increases the accuracy of the strike, even when the prey cannot be seen. Foxes also rely heavily on memory, mapping successful hunting locations over time. What appears playful or random is often calculated movement, shaped by environmental awareness. For foxes, survival depends on precision, memory, and adaptation.